What's up everybody? Welcome to BalkanMoto. Today we're going to focus on the lighting and covering up the hatch. So let's check out what we have. So currently there's a lighting. I have these two light bulbs here. Each of them is about 800 lumen. And they're I believe a 5000 Kelvin white daylight. They're okay in terms of brightness, but we're gonna replace them with these guys. So this is essentially one of these three-way LED, 6000 lumen at, I believe it's, where does it say the light in the office? I think it was, yeah, 6000 to 6500 Kelvin. And these are 60 watt equivalent, where those are, I believe, 8 watt. So a little bit more electricity eat up, but significantly brighter. So let's see how those ones up there work first, and then we're gonna switch them out. Okay, and this is with the normal two light bulbs, just 800 lumen each, so a total of 1200. And we're gonna be, not 1200, 1600. And we're gonna be upgrading that to 12,000 Kelvin, lumen. So let's unpack those guys and unscrew them. Unscrew these guys and then put those guys on, and let's see how that. Okay, this is what the new lights look like. They have these panels, 3 panels of LEDs, and they are actually adjustable, so you can flex them down and point them in the right direction. And they just mount with a normal light bulb screw on. So let's unscrew these guys and get some better lighting in here. All right, and this is with 12,000 Kelvin, 12,000 lumen with the new LED lights. Much brighter in here. You can actually see. So definitely a lot happier with this. This area here where the front of the garage is, doesn't actually have extra lighting, but it's not much darker. So I'm quite happy with that. I thought I might need to install something else up here, but no, it's good. Like you can kind of see here, it's already pretty bright, and then the other side is just as bright. So pretty good. Next, let's take a look at how we're gonna mount this board up there. All right, so we have the painted hatch, and instead of just pretty much bolting it back to the ceiling the way it was before, what I plan on doing is I'm gonna take some hinges. I'm gonna mount them on this side so that this can actually swing open. And on the opposite side, we're gonna put these latches that are just gonna, essentially lock it in place like so, or be able to unlock it so that you can open it. So let's mark up, I believe anywhere. Yeah, the ceiling seems like there's a wooden board all the way around, so mounting on any point of it should be fine. So I think it's just a matter of assembling these to the board and then drilling them into the ceiling. All right, after shaving a bunch of drywall, we have a latch. I still need to touch it up a little bit because some of the screws on the hinges came out the other side. I had to clip them, so I'll just toss some black paint on that. Also all the dust, so I left my fingerprints all over it, so I need to wipe it down. And then I have the 2 latches up there, so pretty much what we have is the latches like this. You undo them, pull them out, and then this thing drops open, hanging down that way. So that's all done. Let's touch it up and be done with it. All right, and after touching everything up, you can see nice and black, clean. It opens easy. The lighting also bright as hell. Can see everything I'm doing. Overall, great result. Alright guys, that was it for this episode. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when new videos become available. Check me out on Instagram at BalkanMoto 2018 and make sure to check out BalkanMoto.com. In the next episode, we're going to start dealing with the floor and preparing it for epoxy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.